Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. It is time to pick our winner for the Victoria's Secret Pink giveaway. I have taken that particular video. I have loaded all the comments in. I've taken myself out. I've taken duplicates out and some other things, you know, spammers. Took those out. And here we go. We are going to pick one winner. This is for all the Victoria's Secret Pink stuff and the champagne flute tumbler. Ready? And go. Rosemary Bryson. Rosemary Bryson, you are the winner. You're going to get that bath mat and all of that stuff. Congratulations, and thank you to everyone who watched and entered and subscribed and all of that. I love you all. And congrats again, Rosemary Bryson. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.